So, nahuman naman ta sa pag-get sa mga equations sa each segment. Then, what we're now going to do is get the values sa mga segments. Starting with the shear. So, this is the shear values. So, starting with the shear values, we have the segment AB. And the equation for segment AB, it says here, where was that? Segment AB is this one, 60. So, basta wala lang jud siya variable, no? Dali ra gyud kay siya isuwat like 60. So, therefore, it represents VA equal to 60 kilonewtons and VB equal to 60 kilonewtons as well. So, that's simple. Next, segment BC. Pero kung nana kay mga variables like this one sa next nga segment, then it's quite although manageable ra siya, pero lahi ra gyud basta wala siya variable like this one for segment BC. This is the equation, V equal to 45. So all we have to do is copy. So the equation is V equal to 45. So it means to say that at VB you have 45 and VC you also have another 45. So these are the values for BC. Next, we proceed with CD. So the equation for CD, kani siya. Ako na lang kopyahon. This one. Wait. So here, di siya makopya. So, kalit lang. Here, dara. This is for CD, no? And then the equation so this is the equation. And then we may now proceed. Ito sa siya i-reason. We may now proceed in getting the VC. So, since na naman tayo x variable, so ang buhatan na to is we have to identify first the point. So, starting with point C. And then, of course, since mo man itong unang nga letter, then automatic x equal to 0. And then, I hope nakita na ninyo siya nga pattern nga kung unsay mag-una nga letter, then x is 0. Then, ang next nga letter kay x equal to the distance between the two letters C to D. That's simple. I hope nakita na ninyo. Let us continue. When x is equal to 0, VC is how much? So all you have to do is copy 60 minus 15 minus 1/2 times 30 minus, this is 30 times 3 minus 0 over 3 to be multiplied by 0. So minus here 30 times 3 minus 0 over 3 times 0. So kani siya, kani nga term diri, this is 0 o kana po diha, that's 0. So therefore VC is only 60 minus 15, that's 45 kilonewtons. Next, we are now at point D, and somehow second letter naman siya sa segment CD, so the distance between C to D, that's 3 meters, so 3. So copy the same, VD equal to 60 minus 15 minus 1/2. Then you copy, this one is 30 minus 30 times 3 minus 30 over 3 times 30. Then minus 30 times 3 minus 3 over 3 times another 30. So we have here kani siya nga term mahimong 0 but not the whole term, kana lang siya, but kani siya, this is 0 kay 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so ang mabilin itong i-rewrite balik pa jud. So you have VD equal to 60 minus 15 and then minus 1/2 of 30 times 3, no? And then minus 0. So VD is, this is 60 minus 15 minus 45, so this is 0. So nanatay shear values. So atong i-draw. So ato i-draw, ito lang i-draw here. Okay, so do not forget nga naa kay AV diri. Then you also have MA. Then you have 15. And then naa kay 30. So here, i-rest na lang sa ninako. And then pila ni siya ka meters, 1 meter, another 1 meter, then this is 3 meters, and this is 30. Okay, then let's drag down a line. For the shear and moment. So this is for the shear first. Sibog naman to siya. And then draw a horizontal line. Tira lang sa ubos-ubos. So this is shear. So positive sa babaw, negative sa ubos. So let's draw. By the way, this is A, this is B, C, and D. Right. The shear values A and B is 60. Positive. So here, ibutan ako that this is positive 60. Next, kay B to C na pod. B to C, you have 45 and 45. And okay, B to C, 45 and 45. So this is 45 and another 45. So pwede na mo siya i-connect diha. Okay, next at CD. So CD, so VC is 45 and D is 0. So C is 45 and D is 0. So how do we connect the 2 points? So tanaw na to ang equation. So sa equation, makita na dayon nato nga this is a second degree. Ngano? Kay ini ka-distribute nimo, you will have two x's. So it's going to become x squared. So somehow muhatag siya idea nga this is a curve. So let's draw the curve. And we draw the curve to be like this one. So I'm gonna explain sooner kung giunsin na ako siya pag-plot. Kaya na pamantay other ways. This is second degree, no? Okay, square naman to ganina. And it's constant. Makita sad nimo nga ang babaw sa CD. So kani makita sad nimo that the load has a first degree line. So increment. So after first degree, second degree jud dayon. So ma-validate sa nimo through that. But in this method, ma-validate nimo ang curve because of the equation. Next. So this is the shear diagram. Next, proceed now with moment. So how do we plot moment? Magsugod sa tasa moment values. So starting here, moment values with segment AB first. So unsa may moment equation sa AB? This one. The moment equation for AB is 60x minus 150. So 60x minus 150 so moment is 60x minus 150. Okay, so again, rule kung unsay mag-una, then this is 0. Ang next kay ang distance between sa duha ka points A and B. So in this case, this is 1. So starting with MA, at point A, x is 0. So MA is tanawon sa nako ang equation ha. Minus 150 din siya. Minus 150. So MA here. So MA is now 60 times 0 minus 150. So MA is negative 150 kilonewtons meter. So negative ang atong value sa atong MA. Next, we are in at point B. X is 1 meter. So MB is 60 times 1 minus 150. So MB is 60 times 1 is 60 minus 150. This is positive 90. No, negative 90. No. So negative 90 kilonewtons meter. Okay, proceed na with segment PC. For segment PC, the equation is this one. So, kopyahon na lang ako. Copy. And then, I'll paste it here. This one. And then, at point B. So, first letter, therefore, x is 0. Then, MB, we're expecting a value MB to be negative 90. No? Okay, sa previous, ni-give siya og negative 90. So, we have 60 times 0 plus 1 minus 150 minus 15 times 0. And this is 0. So MB is 60 times 1 is 60 minus 150. So you have negative 90. So as what I have told you, we're expecting a value similar to this. There. Next, at point C, x is equal to the distance between 2 points B and C. It's 1. So MC is equal to 60 times 1 plus 1 minus 150 minus 15 times 1. So MC is pila man ni siya. This is 60 times 2 minus 150 minus 15. The answer is negative 45 kilonewtons meter. No? So this is our segment BC. Next, for segment CD. So, segment CD. Kopyahon na lang ako ng equation. Segment CD, this is the moment equation. Where's the moment equation? Here. Tara. So, I'll copy this one. Moment of silence at the top. kay ako pang gitarong og cut. Kana siya. So I hope nakapito na ko. And oops. Tarangon sa nato. Okay, so this is the moment equation for CD, and we are now at point C. So therefore x is 0. Okay, first letter man. So our MC, we're expecting our MC to be negative 45 also. Kani, the same ana. So atong i-execute diri. This is 60 times 0 plus 2. So that's just 2. Then minus 5 times x plus 1. X is 0, so times 1 lang. Then minus 150. Then minus 1/2. 1/2 of 30 minus, excuse me, you have 30 minus 30 times 3 minus x equal to 0. So this is 3 over 3. So that's 1. And then 1 times 30, kani. So that's 30. Then 30 minus this one, 0. No? So, ana ra din na siya. Then times 2/3 of 0 square. So this term di ay kay 0. Next, minus 30 times 3 minus 0 over 3. And then this one is 0 over 2 square. So the same, 0. Alright, so leaving MC equal to 120 minus 15 minus 150. Okay, so 60 times 2 is 120 minus 15 minus 150. Negative 45. So as what I have told you kanina, we're expecting a value MC similar to this one. Okay, next, we are now at point D. X now is the distance between C to D, and that's 3 meters. You have MD equal to, so that's 60 times 3 plus 2, that's 5, minus 15 times 3 plus 1, that's 4, minus 150 minus 1/2. 1/2 of 30, then minus 0 times 2/3 of 3 square minus 30, 30, this one, 30 times 3 minus 3 over 3 times x squared over 2. So you have 3 squared over 2. But somehow 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is 0. And then our MD is atong i-compute. You have 60 times 5 minus 15 times 4 minus 150 minus 1/2 of 30 times 2/3 of 3 square. 0. So as what you have observed from the previous mga examples, like example 1 and 2, all the ends at the right side of all the moments on the right side, rightmost side. So ang pinaka-end kay ang value niya sa moment is 0 gid all the time. If dili 0, then sayop imong answer. Okay, so nanatay values for the moment. So we are now ready to plot. So indika plot na to here. Dire lang nako siya i-plot. So I have here moment line, 0 moment line, positive na sa babaw, negative na sa ubos. The reason why ingon ani ang pag-illustrate nako because as what you observe, all the values nato kay negative. So it's below the horizontal. So makita nato ang illustration below sa horizontal. That's why I allotted a large space there. Okay, so starting with AB. So moment A is negative 150, moment B is negative 90. So you have here I'll have negative 150. For A, and then for B it's negative 90. So here it's negative 90. So ako na siyang emphasize, this is 150. And then another B is negative 90. So the same will happen. Then at C is negative 45. So at C, this is negative 45. And then at D, it's 0. Okay, so how do we connect 150 and 90? This is segment AB man. So you look at the equation. This is 60x to the power 1. So that's linear. So connect na to siya with a line. And this is first degree. Next, how do we connect negative 90 and negative 45? This is under segment BC. So tanaw na to ang moment equation sa BC. So here, x to the first degree and x plus 1 to the first degree. So linear gihapon. Connect lang na to ang line. And this is first degree. Then how do we connect this 45 and 0? So segment CD. So segment CD, as what you observe, this is x squared to be multiplied by x. So mahimo siyang x cubed. So curve gihapon if that's the case. So we're going to connect curve. This is positive decreasing. This is how we draw positive decreasing. And this is not second degree, but third degree. According sa atong pag-multiply kanina. Here, ang pinakadako nga power, it's x squared times x. So it's x cubed. So power third degree. So that's it. This is our shear and moment diagram, for example number 3.